हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं नर्वस टिश्यू के बारे में। बेटा ये टिश्यू चैप्टर का आपका लास्ट टॉपिक है। डायरेक्टेड ऑफ एजुकेशन की वर्कशीट नंबर 53 क्लास 9 सब्जेक्ट साइंस। ज्ञान आस्क जिज्ञासा दीदी, हाउ डू वी रिस्पॉन्ड इमीडिएटली टू एनी स्टिमुलाई? इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट, इफ यू नोटिस सम थिंग्स, whenever you touch and hold you hot utensil, you hold your hand back. Whenever a pin is prick in your finger, you hold your hand suddenly back. Whenever you touch a plant, touch me not, it droops down. Why these reactions are so fast? Is there any tissue responsible for that? So Jigyasa reply, Gyan, we know that all the responses in all organisms and all cells possess the ability to respond, and these stimulus are very rapidly transmitted from one part of the body to another. Over a specialized tissue, and that tissue is called nervous tissue. Here you can see, whenever we put our hand on a flame by mistake, suddenly a response, we hold our hand back. This is due to our nervous tissue. What is the nervous tissue and how it performs so fast and where it is found? So first, the brain, spinal cord and nerves all are composed of the nervous tissue and its form a nervous tissue. So first question arises here, where the nervous tissue present? The brain, spinal cord and the nerves all are made up of that tissue, nervous tissue, and the functional unit of this nervous tissue is called neuron. And this is the diagram of neuron. You can see in your right hand side, student. What are the parts here? In the center you notice the nucleus. Short branch structure is called dendrite, and a long chain structure is known as axon, and the whole body is known as cell body. And in the cell body there is a liquid filled that is known as cytoplasm. And this is the last part, that is nerve ending, which transmit the impulses to the next neuron. So the three parts, dendrite, cell body and axon, and nucleus, cytoplasm and other organelles are also present. Short branch part are called dendrite, long is called axon, and this whole neuron is 1 meter long. Okay students, what is the function of the neuron? First, the electrical signal transmitted through nerve fiber is called nerve impulse. So what is nerve impulse? The message is travelled in the form of electrical signals. This is known as nerve impulse, and that is the answer of your third question. Dendrite of one neuron remain in the contact with the nerve ending of other. It means all the neurons are attached to each other by their nerve ending and dendrites. The nerve ending of a one neuron is attached to the dendrites of the second, and then nerve ending of the second joined to the dendrites of the third, and so on a long chain is a form, and which transmit the message in the form of the signals to our brain, so that we can respond very fastly. Third one, neurons send and receive the signals, and these neurons send and receive the signals from the brain. Okay students, now let's do some practice question. What is the main function of nervous tissue? Main function means transmission of the stimulus from one part to the another part. So this is the answer of your first question, student. Second one, draw a label diagram of the neuron. So you have to draw this diagram, student. Third one, what is the nerve impulse? I mentioned also. Which organ is formed by the nervous tissue? So this is your fourth answer. And I think this worksheet is very easy today, and this is the last topic. This is very interesting. We know many things, that how the action has a super fast reaction due to the neuron, and these neurons carry the information in the form of electrical signal. Okay students, if you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more notification of the worksheet. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.